All right, now that we've got our bulbs planted at the proper depth with amended soil all around them, we need to water them in. Now, watering in these bulbs is a lot different than what we did with the bedding plants that we put in this raised bed. We were careful when we watered these in that we didn't cover up the crowns and that we didn't wash out the root systems. These things don't really have a root system and they're buried pretty deep anyway. What we need to do is thoroughly settle the soil around the bulb and around whatever roots may be present. So we're just not going to use a rose. We're going to use a straight stream of water right out of the end of this sprinkling can. And as I mentioned before, the soil that I have here is very high in clay content. So I basically have dug a reservoir or a hole that's going to hold water. And you can see the water is standing, it's not going in very fast. Once that soil is full of water, the amended soil is full of water, there's no air in it. And once that water does, and you can see it slowly going away, once it finally leaches out of the hole, those plants are going to be well watered in, they're going to have good root to soil contact, and they should be in good shape. The main thing now is to keep the moisture situation stable and keep the plants watered, and take care of them any other way. You keep the pests away from them and don't let the dog dig them up.